Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel sbleo. Guys, today in this video I'm sharing very beautiful stylish updated designs of latest collection of fashion 2023 footwear designs. These all are introduced at this time in different colors, and today's video is of white colors, sandals, shoes and different footwear. So guys, now you are here in sbleo channel where you will get all brand new designs of footwear collection. So friends, if you are visiting sbleo channel for the first time, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of every new uploads. So let's start today's video where you will see all the designs and styles which are introduced at this time in white color. Beautiful, very stylish, very comfortable designs for ladies are introduced, and where you will find all different categories of footwear in this video. As such, you can see that casual wear, semi casual wear, office wear and light party wear shoes are the part of today's collection. Yes guys, you also find some very soft and comfortable designs and shoes in which you can spend your all day in very comfortable manner, and you can walk easily in these designs and styles, and these are the shoes which you can enjoy your walk 7 days 24 hours without any problem, because these designs are made up of pure leather. So guys, you can also share your comment in the comment section where you can express your views. You can share your style, that which is your style, which is your favorite style, and design out of this beautiful collection of different footwears. So please share this video with your friends and family members as much as you can, so that they will also have an idea about the latest and comfortable style of different footwear which are introduced at this time in white color. And if white color is your favorite color, then of course you are enjoying these designs and styles. So guys, you can also see some shoes designs with slip-on style, and some of the other shoes which are introduced at this time with low heel design, flat shoes, very comfortable and soft designs, and soft cushion which are very comfortable as well. So over here you find all different categories of sandals and shoes, vest style, low heel design, block heel designs. These all are available online at very reasonable prices, which you can easily afford any of these designs and any of your choice. So guys, for this purpose, check out the link which are given in the description box of this video. So friends, when you want to order any one pair out of this pretty collection for yourself, just click on the link which is given in the description box, and then that website will be open in front of you, and after then selecting right size for yourself, you can make order easily, because these all are available online. And now at this time, wherever you are, you can make it the part of your wardrobe, and definitely you will enjoy your walk in these designs and styles. So guys, I hope this video is very helpful for yourself. So please keep in touch and keep watching these designs and styles. If you like these designs, you can share your comment in the comment section, and if you want to ask any question, you can drop your question in the comment section too. Thank you so very much for your precious time and attention towards my channel. Take care of yourself till the next collection. Allah Hafiz.